Hey Leon, this is Josh from Josh and Danny SEO. I'm just shooting over the screencast about how you can improve your online presence. So, just taking a quick look at your website, you got a really nice header and a really nice. I just love the name Nexus. I used to work for a business that was called Nexus, so love the name, love the logo. You got your, of course, number, your email. One thing I would recommend is have the number as a click to call, so someone can get to your website, and if they're already looking for if they're already finding you and getting to your website, it means they're interested in your service for the most part. So just having a quick conversion and allowing them to just click this and get on the phone with you would be awesome. So just looking through, you got awesome, over 1,500, which is amazing. All your different services with flooring, and then all the other services you provide, who you've worked with, as well as reviews, which is awesome. And then, of course, get in contact through email, send us what you're looking for. Now, then you hit the bottom of the website, which I gotta say it's a really nice website. Let me move that. So just taking a look, I don't see a ton of words though. Of course, you have a couple of paragraphs for your different services, which is awesome. What Google is looking for when they crawl your site is about 1,500 to 2,000 words, with a bunch of keywords mixed in there. What a keyword is those buyer intent words that people are putting in to find your specific service. So let's take a look behind the scenes on how your website is doing. The way we do that is with a system called Ahrefs. So putting in your website, nexusgeneralservices.com, you get this pops out. So you have the two main things, which is the UR rating, which is the strength of your website, and the DR rating, which is the trust Google places in your website. So as you can see, they're both zero. What the sweet spot is between 30 and 40 for both. Really hard to get there, but that is the sweet spot. The way you get there, though, is through backlinks. Now, what a backlink is any link from another website that leads back to yours. Now, all backlinks are not created equal. For example, a Wikipedia link would be an awful link because that's extremely spammy. However, a link from a distinguished flooring blog would be an awesome link because that's a relevant content to what you provide, services you provide. So I always recommend starting like a blog, and attaching that to your website, because that will show relevant content and it would act as a backlink generator, to your site. And as you can see, those another important thing is organic keywords, which is those buyer intent keywords that allow people to find your specific service. As you can see, you don't have any, which is why you're not getting any traffic through your website. Now, let's take a look at what one of those buyer intent keywords would be. So if we take a look, we have Flooring Jacksonville, Florida. Someone's put it in, they're looking for flooring. First thing that pops up, those ads, those pay-per-clicks. These are people that are paying to be up top, and they're paying for every customer that they answer the phone for through this number. Now, the second thing is the GMB. Now, it's super important to get on the Google Map Pack because 30 to 40% of all people will stop right here and pick one of these three because that's just the easiest thing to do. And then, of course, you have your top competitors in the organic rankings. These are people that got here by the strength of their website. So let's check out what they're doing. So the Floor Trader, they got a nice website, they got their logo, they got a nice header, they got their click to calls for those quick conversions. Then just going through, they are a store, so that does put them in a different category, but they do offer the same services that you provide. So just taking a look at their website, they don't have much, but they're doing some stuff really, really well. So let's take a look behind the scenes at how they're doing. So we put them into Ahrefs, out pops their score. So their UR rating, their strength rating is a whopping 35, which is awesome. And their trust, as you can see, is only a 2.8. So they're not doing too hot on that. However, what they are doing really well is their backlinks. They have over 2,000 backlinks. Now, it's more quality over quantity, so 2.16 doesn't really mean a ton. However, they're in the top. They're number one, so their backlinks are pretty damn powerful. Um, Next thing they have a lot of and they're ranking for are those organic keywords, as I said before. So let's check out what their organic keywords are. Oh, there we go. So first thing, Flooring Jacksonville, Florida, 350 people a month. They're in position 2, which means they are the top one. They're getting 79 traffic through that. Flooring stores, 69. These are them, so it's kind of cheap. That's why they're ranking for those. Floor Trader, Flooring Jacksonville, 200. Jacksonville Flooring, 200. All of these keywords, they're on the first page for, and most of them they're number 1 for, which is why you can see they're getting all this traffic through their site. So if we're looking to beat them out, first we need to get those backlinks. A good way to do that, these work, so take them. So you can take the good ones from the Floor Trader and use those for yourself because they're already working for them. So you can take them, add them to yours, and then add some more on top of that to start beating out the Floor Trader. As well as you want to get that content in. So you want to get the 1,500 to 2,000 words with those organic, so you can place those organic keywords throughout your site. So Google can say, hey, we're going to rank this guy for these words that are relevant to their service. If you do that, you'll start seeing that organic traffic start building up and getting people through the door. Now, I hope you found this helpful. If you have any questions about it, you can always feel free to reach back out to me. And as always, I'm always looking to improve. So if you can leave some feedback, that would be awesome. But you have a blessed rest of your night.